Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where natural health is always our main focus. If you want younger, firmer, blemish-free skin and want to achieve it while spending next to nothing, stick with me until the end of this video. Because, what I'm about to reveal today could be a game changer in your life. Have you ever spent a fortune on super expensive creams, miraculous promises, or treatments that just don't seem to work? Then get ready. Because today you're going to learn a homemade, super affordable, and powerful recipe that will leave your skin more beautiful, healthy, and rejuvenated in just a few minutes. And there's more. Besides taking care of your skin from the outside, you'll also learn how to nourish your skin from the inside out, with tips that truly make a difference in combating aging. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell. Because here I only bring you practical, natural, affordable tips that really work. Why does our skin age? Before I teach you this miraculous mask, you need to understand one thing. Skin aging is a natural process, yes, but it can be accelerated by several factors. Excessive sun exposure without protection, pollution, nutrient-poor diet, stress, lack of sleep, use of inadequate products. And what's worse? After age 25, our body starts producing less and less collagen, which is precisely the protein responsible for skin firmness and elasticity. The result? Wrinkles, sagging spots, enlarged pores, dull, lifeless skin. But the good news is that there is a way to slow down this process, regain skin vitality, and even reverse some signs of aging, naturally, without spending a lot. The powerful and super affordable homemade face mask. Have you ever imagined using an ingredient that's probably in your fridge, costs less than $1, and offers benefits that many luxury cosmetics can't deliver? Well, that's exactly what you're about to learn. The secret is in the egg. The egg is one of the most complete foods out there, both for consumption and for topical use on the skin. It's a true nutrient powerhouse. Let's start with the egg white. Rich in albumin, a protein with an immediate tightening effect, has astringent action, meaning it helps to minimize pores, controls oiliness, smooths fine lines, and gives that instant lifting effect. Ideal for those with loose, tired skin or enlarged pores. And then comes the egg yolk. Super nutritious, rich in vitamins A, D, E, K, B complex, and choline, has high cellular regeneration power. Deeply nourishes, leaving skin softer, more hydrated, and luminous. Helps lighten spots, scars, and improve skin texture. Now, let's go step by step for the mask. First, crack an egg and separate the white from the yolk. Second, place the egg white in a small bowl and beat it with a fork until lightly frothy. Third, with a brush or clean hands, apply a thin layer of the egg white all over your face, avoiding eyes and mouth. Fourth, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes until your skin feels tight and dry. Fifth, rinse with warm water and gently pat dry. Sixth, now take the yolk, apply it to your face, and leave it on for another 10 to 15 minutes. Seventh, rinse again and feel your skin simply marvelous. Want to boost it even more? Add to the yolk 1 teaspoon of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Balances skin microbiome, soothes, and hydrates. Or a few drops of coconut oil or olive oil, if your skin is drier. The result? It's firmer, nourished, luminous, soft skin with that glow like you just left an expensive spa. How often to do it? Twice a week is enough to get incredible results. And it doesn't stop there. Beauty starts from the inside out. Did you know that the same egg you use in the mask can and should be part of your diet? The egg is a true superfood, increases natural collagen production, provides high-quality proteins, extremely rich in biotin, which strengthens skin, nails, and hair, has antioxidants that fight free radicals, preventing aging, improves liver and gut health, which, yes, directly impact skin beauty. But pay attention. Avoid frying eggs in soybean oil, corn oil, or other refined vegetable oils. Always prefer butter, olive oil, or coconut oil. When you take care of your skin from the outside and at the same time nourish your body from the inside, the result is much more powerful, visible, and long-lasting. Now, see other powerful tips for younger skin? Drink plenty of water. Hydration is key. Prioritize foods rich in collagen and antioxidants. Fish, eggs, berries, avocado, nuts. Avoid sugar and ultra-processed foods. They destroy your skin's collagen. Get enough sleep. Sleep is the biggest cellular repairer there is. And always consult your doctor to make informed choices and protect your health. Now, answer me one thing. Do you want me to bring more recipes like this? Do you want tips to lighten spots, get rid of melasma, or permanently minimize pores? Then comment below, I want more tips, and I'll bring it all to you. And if you want to go even deeper into caring for your skin, check out this video next to me, where I teach you 6 powerful tips to boost your skin's natural collagen at home, and also tell you which 10 foods destroy collagen. Click now, because your skin deserves this care. I'll see you there.